This looks like a luxury SUV, but underneath, the 9X is a technological monster. Zeekr 9X sits at the very top of its lineup, a full-size luxury SUV blending electric performance with long-distance freedom. At its core is the super hybrid system, a turbocharged petrol engine working with multiple electric motors for brutal power and instant response. In its extreme form, the Zeekr 9X produces up to 1300 horsepower, launching this massive SUV to 100 in just 3 seconds. Unlike typical hybrids, the 9X packs one of the largest batteries ever seen in a plug-in SUV, delivering serious electric-only range and over 1,000 km combined. For the charging, thanks to a 900-volt electrical architecture, it supports ultra-fast charging, cutting wait times to minutes, not hours. Technology is where the 9X really separates itself, with multiple LiDAR sensors, high-performance AI chips, and advanced driver assistance designed for level 3 autonomy. What a luxury confidence! Active air suspension and intelligent chassis control keep the ride smooth, stable, and surprisingly agile for an SUV of this size. The Zeekr 9X isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a statement of what the next generation of electrified performance looks like.